On today's episode of The Cat Archibald. No, I'm not playing Battlefield. He's looking out the window. The weather looks like dookie. But we are playing Undertale. You have to sit through more of my hilarious jokes. Yeah, you gonna talk to me, Sans? What's the hold up? Look, there's nothing to be afraid of. It's just a dark cavern filled with skeletons and horrible monsters. Well, you ought to get going. He might come back, and if he does, you'll have to sit through more of my hilarious jokes. Okay, he's just repeating dialogue. Oh, okay, let's go. Actually, hey, I hate to bother you, but can you do me a favor? I was thinking, my brother's kind of been down lately. He's never seen a human before, and seeing you might just make his day. Don't worry, he's not dangerous, even if he tries to be. Thanks a million. I'll be ahead. What? Bro, he went the other way! Okay. The convenience of a lamp still fills you with determination. HP fully restored. Okay. Use the box. Fuck yeah. Toy knife. Put the butterscotch pie in there. I think that's how most... Oh, for fuck's sake. Snowdrake flutters forth. Snowdrake... Okay, no, wait, don't fight. Fuck me. Joke. You make a bad ice pun. Haha, nice try. Ow. Fuck. Laugh. You laugh at Snowdrake before he says anything funny. What are you laughing at? Oh shit. I'm getting bodied. Okay. What about another joke? Okay, well, say a joke then. Oh my god. Okay. At its own bad joke. Okay, so now he made a joke. Laugh. No, I joked! Oh my god. Hold on, I gotta go. I gotta fix this.